I am a fifth-year co-op student doing chemical biology at McMaster, and right now I am in the middle of my co-op term here in the lab. The basis of the project is basically trying to develop a platform that we can use to study aggressive diseases in a way that's really comparable to the biology that's happening in the body. I've mainly been helping synthesize some of the components of our model, and I've also been trying to kind of help understand and answer some of the questions concerning the mechanisms behind the diseases. Being in the lab is definitely important in terms of gaining experience. So for me, enrolling in a co-op opportunity and being able to kind of navigate my own way through science has been something that I've been really fortunate to do. Throughout my degree, something that I've kind of been missing is a little bit of innovation. Science is knowledge, and engineering is applying that science to answer a question and contribute to society. A lot of times people forget that we have medicine because we have science. And so for me, I think really being able to bridge the two is super important. For me, being in the lab, being mentored by great women and great scientists, and really being welcomed into the community has really shown me how important it is for me to continue on a career in STEM. I've also gotten to learn a lot about even just the process in applying to graduate school or applying to medical school, and I think it's opened up a lot of doors for me. I've been able to expand my network in terms of senior scientists, not only in academia but also in industry, and kind of taking me under the wing so that I can do the same thing too is something that's really important.